You guys know where you want to put this?
Yep.
It's rolling right now, so. Yeah. This should provide a nice shot.
That's good.
And your lens is the round one here?
Lens is the round one.
Okay.
Alright. We're lucky we'll get to see
okay?
Yeah, that's as far as it needs to come. That's higher than it needs to go, so.
I'm going to still walk around like I'm judging.
Okay.
Even though this was not being judged.
I know our problem. Same drill. Same exact thing, okay? I know what our problem was. Red. Alright, when should we go? Wait. No, come on. Guess what that is? Camera. Yeah. So it's gonna be Yep. What? Right at first. It's not gonna be on news. At least I When do we start?
I got a little video camera strapped to it, so they're gonna get video of this.
It's on a data card. I don't know if you can use it. You can get it off of a data card.
I got like 11 laptops. I think I can probably get it off.
I hope that this doesn't break.
Yeah, that's fine. Until I need the data card. I won't need it till later.
I'll try not to lose it.
Yeah. Try to act as crazy. No, wrong program, man. No, you can't do that. Farm. What did you do next? I hit farm. Oh, perfect. Go. Yes. Yes. And ball. Roll up the field. Yes. All right, I'm gonna run far ball. Dude, that's so bad. This isn't a real run. No. I'm gonna run firewall. No, pizza, nice pizza. It doesn't come back to base. Too bad. No, Nick, no. Yes. It's almost over.
Got a minute left.
We have a whole minute, Noah. It takes like 30 seconds to run in there. Listen to me, Noah. You need to do pizza and ice cream. Noah, pizza. Fine. Hurry. Come on, I just want it. Lucky.
Okay, so they're actually going to run 3 in a row?
Go, run it.
One off.
I know that.
That's okay.
Come on. I'm doing firewall. 19.
You can keep this.
Go.
You can keep the camera. I'm going to leave and you can keep it. You got to run around.
Forever?
Yeah, forever. You know, I only charge, give me $700. No, but I'll
I'm just curious, what were you guys trying to do over here? Oh, okay, because I saw it coming over right over here. Okay. Alright, you guys can You two guys can pick up your robot. We're not scoring this one. And then you're going to run one more time so that the other team has got something to compete against.
You're running again?
Yeah, one more time.
Is this points? Is this points before?
No. No, we got the camera attached. We don't want you to have to compete with the camera attached.
So we're running it one more time?
Yeah, the next time you're running so that this team has something to compete against.
All right. So this time, is it still going to be camera?
Yeah, you're okay with that?
That's fine. That's fine. It's great, actually. Oh, somebody bent up the tee. It wasn't me.
On where?
No, just the tee is bent.
Is it okay?
Yeah. It wasn't me. I did really good on that one. For a third one, we gotta do the same thing. That worked really well. Yep. Too bad we can't keep the camera. Too bad we couldn't count that because you know how much points we would have got? We got double our last one. We only had 2 touches. Yep, and we got this, that.
Last time I counted 4 touches.
Oh. So this time is it for points or?
No. I was just doing that for your benefit in case you wanted to see.
So that
and you guys don't go into that corner, right? That's not going to be in your way? Okay.
Here to engineering.
That'd be so funny if we both went for the opposite. Same drill. Same exact thing. Run at first. In the same order, too. Okay, same order. Alright? And the maximum we need to try for is. And it'll be so funny. They went for right there. It'll be so funny. They went for that. If they went for our rat, we went for their rat. Well, if we both got a claw on the red rat at the same time, we're ready.
And blue team is ready. In 3, 2, 1.
We're not doing it. I need to edit that. I don't think it's gonna work, Noah. Noah, it's not gonna work. Oh, yes. Yeah! Get the ball! Yes! Okay, you run pizza and ice cream now. That was so funny. Got the ball and... No, if we can do this with points, just imagine, we might get somewhere. Yeah. No way. I don't know. We don't have anything off the run, do we? Nope. Try red rat again. Let's try it. That's the only program we have. No. Do the arc one quick. We can hit the blue ball. I can. All right. Oh, no. Nick. 2 pizza and ice cream. No, I have a program. You'll like this one. Go. Come on. Yeah, you never told me about that one. Haha. 28 seconds. Far ball. Go for it. I need to get there. 22 seconds. I don't know if we can get there. It's okay. okay, take your time. Go.
Nice job. So you would have gotten this, and that one, this ball knocked off, that ball knocked off, the board on the mat.
Bacteria,
This
that
one's up.
bacteria.
This one, I didn't see quite how it's done.
I think we got knocked out.
It depends on how it got knocked over. I wasn't watching that one carefully enough. But,
The funny thing
nice
is,
job.
we had an extra program here on the phone. That's how we got the ball. I
secret
didn't know
one.
we had the ball.
Alright, you can pick up your robot.
Yeah, and I'm gonna grab the camera from you guys.
Alright. That was
You guys are
fun.
lucky you got five. You're gonna get 5 runs today. Up there.
We still have one more left, too.
Right now.
No, 2. Nick, we have 2 more left.
Well, you got at least one in the elimination rounds.
Yeah, this is